Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great today. I have a project share, and this is a loaded envelope for a swap, and this is going to Stacy, and she is Stacy Lambert 76 here on YouTube. And hi girl, that was our agreement to do a loaded envelope, and I'm here to share with you what I created. Now my envelope, I used it, I wanted to gusset. So and I knew I was gonna stuff it with a lot of things in it, so I wanted at least a 1-inch gusset, and I followed a tutorial on how to create an envelope using your We Are Memory Keepers envelope maker with a her gusset was for the 6x6 cards that are a 1/4 inch thick. Well, mine is 1 inch thick, and so I will link the tutorial down below. If you want the gusset to be bigger, you have to add more inches, you know, for the paper. The 10x10 paper, as she shared on her tutorial, is for a 6x6 envelope with a 1/4 inch gusset. My envelope is 12x12 with a 1/4 inch gusset, and I used the measurements for a 6x6 card. And after I did the measurement for a 6x6 card, then my next high scoring line was at 1 inch. So when you see her video, you'll understand what I'm talking about. But anyways, I'm so excited. It came out so cute. Mr. BeadyBomBom loved it. Every time he would pass by the dining room, because I had it standing on my tripod, he just kept saying, I love it, because he thought it was just so cute. So anyways, here it is, and I love it. I had so much fun creating this. I love the outcome of it. It just came out so stinking cute, and not only because of the embellishments, but I also used a lot of things that was given to me in previous swaps. I used stuff from Luisa. I've used also some embellishments that was given to me from Natalie, who has put some bling on it. So yeah, so I mean, I just love it. So here are the little monkey, the spider monkey from Dollar Tree that I shared in my haul video. This is what I wanted, because I saw I had little velcros here, and I wanted him to hug the envelope. So anyways, let me go ahead and show you everything. So cute. Oh my gosh, I just love it. So here it looks, this is how it looks. It is to fit a 6x6 card, and then here's my 1 inch gusset right there, and it's 1 inch out. It's 1 inch all the way around. So it's 1 inch all the way around. That's why I needed a 12x12 paper, and this is my last one that I used. I think it's called, I'm not sure if it's Blowing Kisses. From I'm gonna put it down here when I edit the video and I go look at my scraps. I'm gonna put it down here so you know. But it was the last sheet that I had, so I went ahead and I used it, and it's red with gingham, and I just love it. And then the inside had a different pattern, but I covered it, but you'll see. Well, anyways, here are the little embellishments that I made. They're like toppers. That's what I forgot to mention in my previous video when I shared this. It's actually like toppers. So this is the little embellishments that I showed that I had made. Here was my last rose. This is a sequin rose, and it was I'm not sure if I purchased it or if it was gifted to me when I made a purchase from Nita Shah. She used to sell here on YouTube a lot of like rhinestone bling and stuff like that, and so I know I had purchased a few packages from her, and so this came with it. So, and then I used my trim. This is from AliExpress. I still have some left. Also, this heart bling trim is plastic heart trim. It's from AliExpress as well. And yeah, so I mean, I just need to add my label on the back. And then here you will see I have the little key ring that I attached it, and you'll see it that I attached an eyelet. So let me go ahead and start taking things out, because oh my gosh, this is like jam-packed full. So I have one of these little picks, that I picked up from Michael's. I told you that I was just gonna leave it as is and use it as decoration. So I have this pick here, and then I also have these are the lips that I did using my Silhouette Studio. So a die cut. So I added some die cuts and stuff. And then here is one of my first packaging. So I packaged this. So cute. Now the I used Dollar Tree because I didn't have I purchased the kits that I thought I was gonna work with for this swap, and I ended up not using anything out of it. So I didn't want to use it for the packaging. So I just used the little cereal box thickness packaging from Dollar Tree. And then there's a little bit of hot glue, very, very, very tiny, so she could peel that out. And then, and then this trim right here was gifted to me from Ebony, this crafty girl. Hey girl. So she gifted this to me. And then here's one of my embellishments. And this is an embellishment from Put Some Bling on It from Natalie. So I thought it went very well with all the pinks and reds and some black that I have in here. So that's that. Here's a tag that I've had in my stash, and I'm including this. I've been including this with all of my Valentine projects, so I have very little left. Then here's a pic that was included in my box from Luisa, so I'm sharing that as well. I'm telling you, I just want to use everything that I have. And then here is more embellishments that I'm sharing with her. This is from Luisa when we did our Valentine binder mail a couple of years ago. So she included that, and here's what I use. And then this is an embellishment from Put Some Bling on It from Natalie. And then here's a lollipop that from Dollar Tree. I picked up a pack, so I'm gonna give that. And then here's a pic from Dollar Tree as well. I'm including that. And this one fell out, but here's another pic, so I'm sharing two. Okay, then here I am sharing chocolates. So milk chocolate pretzel rods. So I included that. Who can you have to add chocolates, you know, to a Valentine swap. So then here are the clips that I made. So the clips that I made, and it's holding this love die cuts that I shared. And then here is one of the pens that I have made, so I included that. And then here, let's see, this was right there. So then here is my goodness, stuck. Okay, two of the rosette hearts that I made, and this is from Natalie. She gifted me some plain back toppers, and then also she included this in one of her embellishments, so I put that on top here. Very simple, I love it. And then here's another one, and this is, I'm sharing a couple of my embellishments that I made. This is trim from my stash. This is from Dollar Tree, and this was gifted to me from Stacy last year. She has sent me some Valentine mail, so I used that. And then this is an embellishment from Natalie. And okay, and then this was an embellishment from Luisa, and then I just hot glued it on this, and I added it there. And then here is another of my altered clips from Dollar Tree. Added some bling on it. And if you're new to my channel and have not seen none of these embellishments that I'm sharing, I will put all the links to my videos, my hauls that I have purchased in the last couple of weeks, and also my project shares that I have shown, sharing all of everything that you've seen here. So here is a heart die cut, and then here is I'm sharing also my wrapped hearts with yarn. This is a dupe from Hobby Lobby. I think theirs is a little bit smaller, so this one's pretty big. And then here is one of the bag toppers from Natalie, and then I attached this. Let's see. I attached this that I had created and I had shared as well. So that goes here. And then Here's another gold pick, gold heart pick. And then I am sharing some goodies. I have some stickers, the red, and then I also have these pearls, such a beautiful shade of pink, and also 2 sheets of a sticker pack that I purchased from Michael. So I'm sharing this with her, and that is it. And then here is a dangle, and here I have the little eyelets that I've attached to the envelope, and yeah, and then here is the keychain, and it came out so cute. I just love how it came out, and I had to do some trimming right here. I'll make it more circular because it was a little bit higher and it didn't fit in the box. Because our agreement was that I had told her whatever fits in a medium shade, medium flat rate box, you know, that's it, nothing more. It has to fit in that flat rates, the small one. So yeah, and I just love it. And this is how the back looks. You can see the score lines here, and then inside you can see the prints of how it looks, the prints of the other side of the sheet. And I just covered it with red cardstock because I didn't want that, because it was gonna look not crooked, but like reversed in image or upside down and stuff. But yeah, so I just love how this came out. I had so much fun creating this. I hope she loves everything I have made for her. I'm sure she will. Not that I'm trying to toot my own horn or anything like that, but I just love, I love everything I created. So alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for subscribing and liking and commenting. I greatly appreciate it. So I'll see you next time. Bye.